I have the worst time scrubbing my back. So when the Silky company asked if I would like to have a sample of this back scrubber, I said, yes, I will give that a try, give it a review, and let everybody know how it works. So I like the feel of this. The whole thing is silicone, so there's no plastic. It's not slippery. There's also a grip on here and a hole so you can hang it up so that it can dry. And the bristles are short, which kind of surprised me. All the other ones I've seen, the bristles have been long. So this one is short and it stays nice and compact. So I had surgery on my shoulder a while ago, so my reach is somewhat limited. But you can see with this, I can reach down my back pretty far. I can also reach the other way, so I can get the lower part of my back. And what a lot of people don't realize, you can also get your feet. So if I hold my foot up, I will be able to reach my feet.